Welcome dear students. Today we are going to solve the remaining sums from practice set 3.2. Now sixth sum is find how many 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. So 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5 are first 3-digit natural number which is divisible by 5 is 100, next is 105, next is 110, then 115, etc. The last 3-digit number which is divisible by 5 is 995. So therefore, the first term is 100. A and T1 is 100, T2 is 105, T3 is 110, T4 is 115 and Tn is 995. Now in this AP the last term is given, therefore Tn is, this is the last term, that is 995. So A is 100, D is 5, T2 minus T1 105 minus 100, that is 5, and Tn is 995. We have to find out how many 3-digit number. N is equal to what? To find out N also we have to write Tn formula. So Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now Tn is what? 995. Let us substitute the values here. So 995 which is equal to A is 100 plus N minus 1. We don't know what is N. We have to find out. So multiply by T is what? 5. Now 995 and this is plus 100. Bring it to the other side. This will become minus 100. Otherwise, to eliminate this 100, we have to subtract by 100 on both the sides. So, which is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now, 995 minus 100 is what? 895, which is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now, let us write the unknown term at the left hand side. N minus 1 into 5, which is equal to 895. Now, open the bracket and write n into 5, 5n minus 5, which is equal to 895. Therefore, 5n equal to 895 plus 5. So, to eliminate this minus 5, we have to add plus 5 on both the sides. So, 895 plus 5. So, this is 900. So, 5n equal to 900. Therefore, n is equal to what? 900 upon 5. Again we have to eliminate this 5, so we have to divide by 5 on both the sides. So 900 upon 5 which is equal to 180. N is equal to 180. Therefore the answer is there are 180 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. Seventh question. The 11th term and the 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Find the 41st term of that AP. Now your 11th term is 16. Therefore T11 is 16. Therefore N is 11. And your 21st term is 29. Therefore T21 is 29. Therefore N is what? 21. A is first term. D is common difference. Now let us write Tn formula first. Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, what is T11? T11 equal to, we don't know what is A. So, write A as it is A plus, now N is 11. So, 11 minus 1. D also as it is. We don't know what is D. So, 11 minus 1 is what? 10. So, here T11 is 16, that is given. So, substitute that value here. 16 equal to A plus 10D. So, A plus 10D equal to 16. So, let us take this as equation 1. Next, T21 is equal to what? Substitute the value here. A plus N is 21. So, 21 minus 1 into D. So, 21 minus 1 is 20, 20D. And T21 is what? 29. So, 29 equal to A plus 20D. So, A plus 20D equal to what? 29. So, let us take this as equation 2. Now, we have to subtract this equation 1 from equation 2. Okay. So, equation 2 minus equation 1, that implies first you write this equation. A plus 20D which is equal to 29. And below that write equation 1. A plus 10D which is equal to 16. Now to subtract, we have to just change the sign of the second equation. Now this is a and minus a, we can cancel it. Okay, eliminate it. And plus 20d minus 10d, which is what? 10d, which is equal to 29 minus 16 is 13. Therefore d is equal to 13 divided by 10, which is equal to 1.3. Therefore d is equal to what? 1.3. Now we have to substitute this d value in equation 1. So by substituting d equal to 1.3 in equation 1, we get a plus 10d equal to 16. Therefore a plus 10 multiplied by 1.3, which is equal to 16. So a plus, now multiply this, which is 13, which is equal to 16. So therefore a is equal to 16. Now this is plus 13 will become this side minus 13. 16 minus 13, which is equal to 3. So a is 3. Now a is 3 and d is 1.3. The sum is not over. We have to find out 41st term of that AP. Now so let us write here first term. A is equal to 3. Common difference is 1.3. Write Tn formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now therefore T41 is equal to what? A plus 41 minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value. A is 3 and 41 minus 1 is 40 and d is 1.3. Now first you multiply these two, that is 52. So 3 plus 52, that is 55. So T41 is what? 55. The answer is the 41st term of this AP is what? 55. Next, 8th sum, 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. In this AP, this is an AP. So which term is number 151? Okay, which term is number 151? Now 11 is the first term, that is a and T1 is 11, T2 is 8, T3 is 5, T4 is 2. So let us write this way. And D is what? T2 minus T1, that is 8 minus 11, which is equal to minus 3. So D is minus 3, A is first term 11. Now let the nth term of the given AP is what? Minus 151. So therefore Tn is equal to minus 151. We have to find out what is n. So write Tn formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values. Now Tn is what? Minus 151. So minus 151, which is equal to a is 11 plus, we don't know what is n. So n minus 1 into d is minus 3. Now minus 151, this is plus 11, bring it to the other side, so that is minus 11, which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Now minus 151 minus 11, both the signs are same, so put the same sign and add. So minus 162, which is equal to, open the bracket and multiply, minus 3n and minus into minus is plus, so plus 3. So now minus 162, bring the number to the left hand side, that is plus 3 will become minus 3. So minus 162 minus 3, which is equal to minus 3n. So this will be again, both the signs are same, put the same sign, add. So minus 165, which is equal to minus 3n. Let us cancel the minus sign on both the sides. Therefore 3n equal to 165. Always keep the unknown term at the left hand side. Therefore n is equal to what? 165 divided by 3. If it is in multiplication form, this side will become division form. So 165 divided by 3, which is equal to 55. So n is 55. Therefore the 55th term of the given AP is minus 151. Next, 9th sum. In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? So here the limit is 10 to 250. So the numbers which are divisible by 4 from 10 to 250 are. Now the first number which is divisible by 4 after 10 is what? 12. Next is 16. Next is 20, 24, etc. Then the last number which is just the previous number which is previous number of 250 which is divisible by 4 is 248. Now this is an AP because the difference is common everywhere, 4, 4, 4, isn't it? So now 12 is the first term, this is second term 16, third term 20, fourth term 24, and since we know the last term, let us take this as Tn. 248 is Tn. Just write this way. We have to find out how many numbers. Write Tn formula. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the values. Since we know this value 248, substitute here 248 which is equal to A is 12 plus we don't know what is n. So n minus 1 into D is 4. So now 248, this is plus 12, bring it to the other side, minus 12 which is equal to, now open the bracket, n minus 1 into 4, now open the bracket and write, so 4n minus 4. So here this is what? 236. 236 is equal to 4n minus 4. Again bring the number to the other left hand side. So 236 minus 4 will become plus 4 which is equal to 4n. So this will become 240 which is equal to 4n. Therefore 4n equal to what? 240. Keep the unknown term at the left hand side. So therefore n is equal to 240. It is multiplication form, so this will become division divided by 4 which is equal to 60. Therefore n is equal to 60. So there are 60 terms which are divisible by 4 from 10 to 250. Next, the last sum of this practice set. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference. D is what? Okay, here we have to find out what is D. So A is the first term, D is the common difference. Now T17 is equal to, according to the condition, D 17th term is 7 more than, so plus 7 more than 10th term, T10. So T10 plus 7. Now the formula is what? Tn formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore what is T17? T17 is A plus 17 minus 1 into D. Therefore T17 equal to A plus 16D. Next, what is T10? T10 equal to what? A plus, instead of n put 10. 10 minus 1 into D. So T10 equal to A plus 9D. Now according to the given condition, now the 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. So T17 equal to T10 plus 7. So let us substitute here. Instead of T17, write this A plus 16D, A plus 16D which is equal to, now T10 is what? A plus 9D plus 7. Now let us cancel this A and A, because when we bring it to this side, this will become minus A. So we can cancel it. Okay, so we can cancel this A and 16D and this plus 9D. When we bring it to the left hand side, this will become 9 minus 9D which is equal to 7. So 16D minus 9D is 7D which is 7. Therefore D is equal to 7 upon 7 which is equal to 1. D is 1. So this is the common difference. Therefore the common difference is 1. That's all, my dear children.